Hi, I'm Dr. Quinn from Dr. Quinn Weight Loss. Today we're going to talk about maintenance. One of the things that makes our program effective is the maintenance phase. So during your initial consultation, we talk to you about not only how are you going to be able to lose the weight initially, but how are you going to be able to maintain it. It's all about lifestyle change. You've got to be able to change your lifestyle for good so that once the weight comes off, you can keep it off. We don't believe in fad diets or quick fixes. We believe in long-term success. You need to be able to exercise. Multiple studies show that when you stop exercising, you start gaining your weight back. So it's critical that you incorporate that from the beginning and that you continue on with that forward. Once you've lost your weight, then we'll have another appointment where we'll go over now how are you going to keep it off. We're also here for you as far as accountability goes. We love when our patients that have lost weight come in to get weighed on a routine basis just so that we can make sure that they're continuing to maintain. If you've tried multiple programs before and you've been successful at losing weight for the short term, but you've never been able to maintain it for the long term, give our office a call.